Students, today we'll learn about the structure of brain. Essay 1. Recently in Essay 1 you have written this question, a long answer in biological science. Draw a label diagram of human brain and write briefly about the structure. Structure of human brain. Structure of human brain. So what is the first point you will write for this? Weight of the human brain. Weight of the brain. Weight of the brain is about, what is the weight of the brain? 1.4 kg you can write. This point should be first. Okay. Then second point. What is the second point you will write? The brain is very delicate. And largest among all animals. Okay. And what is the third point you will write for this here? Brain is well protected inside the brain box. What is brain box, otherwise called as cranium? Okay, of the skull. Clear? And what is the fourth point you will write for here? The brain is protected. By three membranes. Three membranous you can tell, or membrane you can tell. Okay, membranous coverings called meninges. They are called meninges. Then fifth point, the three meninges layers. Okay, the three coverings. The three meninges are, what is the name of three meninges? The first one is called as dura mater. And the second one is called as arachnoid membrane you can tell. And third one is called pia mater. Clear? Then sixth point, the space between these layers. Okay, dura mater, arachnoid membrane, and pia mater. Between the layers is filled with cerebrospinal fluid. Clear? Cerebrospinal fluid, simply called as CSF. Clear? Then seventh point, the brain has three main parts. One is called cerebrum, cerebrum, second is called cerebellum, and third is called medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata. Eighth point. Here we have written 6 points. Space between the layers is filled with cerebrospinal fluid. I'll show you what are the work of this, what are the function of this cerebrospinal fluid. Okay, this CSF, cerebrospinal fluid, okay, protect the brain and spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord from shocks. You can tell that it is act like a cushion. It just act like cushion. Clear? Then ninth point, the scientific study. The scientific study of brain or spinal cord, you can tell spinal cord, okay, is known as neuroscience. It's known as neuroscience. This many points are enough to score 6 marks, perfect 6 marks. Clear? Once again, I'll tell you structure of human brain. The weight of the human brain is about 1.4 kg. Okay, the weight, and the brain is very delicate one, very soft and delicate. And among all the animals, our human brain is the largest one. And brain is well protected. Okay, inside the brain box, a box will be there. Inside the box, the brain will be there. That box is called as cranium, or cranium of the skull here. Then the brain is protected by 3 membranes. 3 membranes will be there. 1, 2, 3. The brain covered with the 3 membranes. Okay, they are called as the meninges. 3 meninges names are dura mater, arachnoid membrane, and pia mater. Space between these layers, okay, is filled with the cerebrospinal fluid. What are the work of this cerebrospinal fluid? You know, okay, it protects the brain and spinal cord from shocks. Just it act like a cushion, soft material, act like a cushion. And brain have 3 main parts, major parts here. One is called as cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. And finally, you can write one of the point: the scientific study of brain, spinal cord, central nervous system, okay, is known as neuroscience. Thank you.